better? What could be better than, hey, Jabby?
She doesn't want that dog park.
Hey, Jabby. Hey, Jabby. Hey, Jabby. Hey, Jabby. What? What could be better than a dog that's so glad to see you? Right, Jabby? Right, Jabby? Are you glad to see me? Yeah. What could be better than that? Well, that is fun. But nothing better than winning a quilt from Dana. Look at that gorgeous quilt. I wish I could win one of those. Look, there's 3 of them. Wow. Hey, Dana. Count me in. This is Yvonne.